invite Dr. Yugeshwar Sir, Organizing Secretary, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of English, CM Science College, Darbhanga, Treasurer of WAAR, and Director, Darbhanga Chapter of WAAR, to give vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, ma'am. जिस तरफ भी चल पड़े हम आबला पयान शौक, खार से गुल और गुल से गुलिस्ता बनता गया। मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल, मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारवा बनता गया। लोग साथ आते गए और कारवा बनता गया। Respected chairperson, distinguished dignitaries, honored guests, eminent speakers, faculty members, scholars, students, and dear participants. Namaskar, Adab, and good evening to one and all present in this virtual platform. It is both an honor and privilege for me to propose the vote of thanks and share the report of the first international conference on contributions of Mithila regions in the development of Indian knowledge tradition in the context of literature and culture. This conference has been far more than an academic gathering. It has been a meaningful celebration of Mithila's rich intellectual heritage, literary excellence, and philosophical traditions, and vibrant cultural consciousness. The deliberations throughout the day have reminded us that Mithila has never been merely a geographical region. Rather, it has been a living center of knowledge, wisdom, creativity, and civilizational dialogue that has significantly contributed to the Indian knowledge tradition. First of all, I would like to pay my gratitude to the inaugural speakers of the inaugural sessions. At the outset, I express my deepest gratitude to our esteemed guest of honor, Professor Punita Jha, ma'am, Dean and Head, University Department of English, LNMU, for her gracing this conference with her dignified presence and for sharing her thoughts that inspired all of us. Her words beautifully reflected the importance of preserving and promoting indigenous knowledge with major emphasis on Madhubani painting. The painting, it is not just an art, but the living tradition of Mithila. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our honorable chief guest, Professor Lakshmi Nivas Pandey, VC, KSDCU, whose gracious presence elevated the significance of this international conference. His insightful address enlightened us about enduring relevance of intellectual traditions and that pivotal role of regions like Mithila in nurturing philosophical, literary, and cultural discourses across centuries. His special emphasis was on strengthening the family structure in shaping and serving humanity in this contemporary age. And he also highlighted that Sanskrit language has Sanjeevani Shakti, which can explore our cultural and philosophical past and shape and guide us in this modern age. I offer my sincere gratitude to our keynote speaker, Professor Grishnath Jha, for delivering such an illuminating keynote address. His scholarly reflection on Indian knowledge tradition and the intellectual contributions of Mithila opened new dimensions of understanding for all the participants. His address reminded us that traditional knowledge systems are not relics of past, but dynamic source of wisdom that continue to guide humanity even today. I would also like to express my special appreciation to Dr. Manish Kumar, the Secretary of WAAR, for introducing the organization WAAR and for his dedicated efforts in conceptualizing and organizing this conference. I now extend my sincere thanks to the distinguished speakers of the plenary sessions whose intellectual contributions enriched this conference immensely. In the plenary session 1, we had the privilege of listening to Dr. Professor Dev Shankar Navin from JNU, Mr. Dibyaraj Amia from Germany, and Professor Sushant Kumar Misra from JNU. Their insightful presentations offer deep reflections on literature, language, society, and cultural consciousness within the framework of Indian knowledge tradition. Their scholarly engagement and inspired meaningful discussion and broadened our intellectual horizons. I sincerely thank the esteemed speakers of the plenary session 2, Professor Pankaj Kumar Mishra sir, Dr. Fani Kanta Mishra, and Professor Vidyanath Jha sir from IIM Calcutta for their profound academic insights and thought-provoking deliberations. Their presentations highlighted the richness of Mithila philosophical, literary, and cultural traditions and their continuing relevance in our contemporary discourses. My heartfelt appreciation also goes to the respected speakers of plenary session 3rd, Dr. Satyen Jha from France, Dr. Chandan Jha from USA, and Professor Asthaneshwar Kemal Sinha from USA, whose scholarly contributions added great depth and academic richness to this conference. Their insightful analysis and interdisciplinary perspective truly enhanced the intellectual spirit of this gathering. I also wish to acknowledge and thank all the paper presenters, delegates, research scholars, faculty members, and students who participated enthusiastically in this conference. Your active engagement, thoughtful questions, and academic curiosity transformed this platform into a vibrant platform of dialogue and discussion. Around 150 participants presented their research papers on different themes and issues in this conference. Now, I express my deepest gratitude to our honored guest, Professor Ramnath Jha sir, for his enlightening presence and scholarly insights. His thoughts on the richness of Sanskrit philosophy and the intellectual heritage of Mithila have truly enriched this academic gathering. Such emphasis on the different philosophical aspects of Mithila, especially in context with the West, that we, in our tradition, that creation and creator are not just a different person, they are the same and guiding us from the within. And also reflections on the different Janaks. There is not one single Janak, there are 55 Janaks. And we need to explore all this. And we need to focus on the research aspect. So thank you so much, sir, for exploring the philosophical tradition of Mithila and inspiring us to delve deep into this subject. I extend sincere thanks to our respected patron and president, Professor Vijay Kumar Rai sir, for his constant encouragement, guidance, and visionary support which made this conference possible. And sir is very synonymous with his name. The victory lies in his name, that is Vijay. And this Vijay is dedicated to sir. This victory is all yours, sir. You are the director of behind this. So thank you so much, sir. My heartfelt appreciation goes to the conveners, Dr. Krishanand Mishra and Ram Sevak Thakur, sir, whose dedication, planning, and tireless efforts ensure the successful organization of this international conference. A special note of gratitude to our graceful anchor and the host, Dr. Richa Ma'am, for conducting the sessions with elegance, confidence, and remarkable coordination throughout the program. I also express my gratitude to the coordinators of the Darbhanga chapters of WAAR, Dr. Subodh, Dr. Amarjit, and Dr. Ragini Ma'am for their support and cooperation. I would also like to sincerely acknowledge the invaluable contributions of all the 14 session chairs and 14 moderators. It is a long list, so I won't take name. Your intellectual engagement, thoughtful observations, and efficient management of these technical sessions added depth and dignity to these conference deliberations. A special note of gratitude goes to the organizing committee, coordinators, volunteers, technical team, and support staff whose tireless dedication and meticulous efforts ensure the smooth and successful conduct of this conference. Behind every successful academic event stands an efficient and committed team, and today's conference is a testimony to their hard work and cooperation. As we conclude this significant academic gathering, let us carry forward the spirit of inquiry, dialogue, and cultural responsibility. As Ramnath sir has mentioned, that this conference had inspired in us Mithila's intellectual and cultural traditions continue to illuminate the broader landscape of Indian knowledge systems, reminding us of the importance of preserving our linguistic, literary, and philosophical heritage for future generations. On behalf of the organizing committee, I once again extend my heartfelt gratitude to our distinguished guest speakers, participants, and attendees for making this conference a grand success. Thank you everyone for your gracious presence and valuable contributions. शुक्रिया आपका, शुक्रिया आपका, आपके आने से रौनक तो बढ़ी, शुक्रिया आपका, आपके आने से रौनक तो बढ़ी, वरना ये महफिल ये जज्बात अधूरी रहती, वरना ये महफिल ये जज्बात अधूरी रहती. जय मिथिला, जय भारतीय ज्ञान परंपरा. Thank you all for making this conference meaningful and memorable. Thank you once again for your attention and patient listening.